Malavali, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. A grammar is a formal mathematical system for generating strings in a language. It may be of terminal, non-terminal, production start, and finish symbols. The Chomsky hierarchy represents the class of language that accept by different machines. The category of the languages are type 0 is the unrestricted grammar, type 1 is the context sensitive grammar, type 2 is a context free grammar, and type 3 is a regular grammar. These are of languages like computable language, recitable language, context free language, and a regular language. A type 0 is the unrestricted grammar. From the word itself, it specifies it does not provide any restrictions. We can say in another form that no restriction on the grammar rule and the type of languages. It does not provide any type of restrictions on the productions. It is mainly modulated or recognized by the tuning machines when compared to other type of grammar. It is a powerful grammar class. The contrast sensitive language are the type 1 language. From the word itself, it represents some sensitivity we need to identify in the languages. So it represents, we can say in another form that it is used to represent the contrast sensitive language. It must satisfy the following rule for satisfying the context sensitive grammar. First is the first rule we follow, that is it must not have most symbol on the left hand side of the production rule, and second is that the left hand side must not exceed the right hand side, and third, a cannot be empty if a is a start symbol. Context free grammar are the type 2 grammar used to represent the context free languages. The production a equal to alpha represents that a is a non-terminal and alpha is the combination of terminal and non-terminal. These are mainly used for the programming languages syntax, and these are recognized by the push-down automata, as the NFA and DFA are not recognizing of these languages. These are only recognized by the stack, so it is modulated by only by the push-down automatas. Type 3 are the regular grammars used to represent the regular language. These language are described using the regular expression when compared to other types like type 0, type 1, type 2. These are the simplest grammars, and these are recognized by the finite automata of NFAs and DFAs. Some of the application of the type of grammars are type 3 are the regular grammars. These are mainly used for the lexical analysis, as we know that lexical analysis are used for tokenizing the program to identify the keywords, identifiers, and numbers, and mainly used for the main application of regular grammars are for text searching. It is used to search, validate email format, string searching, data scratching, and so on. The next is the type 2 context free grammars. These are mainly used for parsing. Parsing is the backbone of compiler designs. These are mainly the hierarchical structure of the programming languages, and another application of the context free is the natural language processing. It is used for early parser based linguistic model for the structure sentence. Next is the context sensitive grammar. These are the type 1 grammar mainly used for the natural language processing and the natural language constraint, which is depends on the words that are surrounded by the content or the context. It is also mainly used for the advanced compilers, such as for code optimization and for checking the restricted programming environments. The last is the type 0 restricted grammar. These type of grammar are mainly used for general computing. As I said, it is modelized or recognized by the tuning machines. These are used in the tuning machines of the theoretical computer science, and also the another application of the unrestricted grammar is that it is mainly used for identifying the algorithm complexity. A context-free grammar are formally defined as a set of G equal to VTPS, where V is the set of variable from A to Z. We can also say V as the non-terminals and T is the set of terminals, a small a to Z plus minus star hash. We say this type of as the terminal, P is the production rule and S is the start symbol.